Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a common household ingredient known for its numerous health and beauty benefits. Its use dates back to 400 BC when Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used ACV to treat his patients. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, ACV also contains high levels of acetic, citric, and malic acids. These properties make it effective in killing germs, viruses, fungi, reducing infections, and alleviating conditions like the common cold, muscle pain, arthritis, diabetes, high cholesterol. In addition to these health benefits, ACV has become a staple in many beauty routines. To reap the maximum benefits, it's best to use unfiltered ACV, as it is unpasteurized and contains all the original enzymes. Here are some beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Acts as a skin toner. ACV helps keep skin clear and pores clean, making it beneficial for oily skin. It contains alpha-hydroxy acids that improve blood flow to the skin and reduce pore size. Mix equal parts ACV and distilled or filtered water, and you can add a few drops of essential oil like lavender. Apply with a cotton ball, leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use this solution once or twice daily, shaking well before each use. For normal skin, use 1 part ACV to 2 parts water. For sensitive skin, use 1 part ACV to 4 parts water. 2. Prevents acne and pimples. Acne and pimples can be a daily nuisance, but ACV can help. It kills germs and cleanses pores, preventing the formation of acne and pimples. It also balances your skin's pH levels, reducing breakouts. Mix 1 part unfiltered ACV with 2 parts filtered water, apply it to the affected skin using a cotton ball, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Repeat a few times daily for several days. 3. Brightens yellow nails. Yellow or discolored nails, caused by chemicals, infection, smoking, or poor diet, can be revived with ACV. Its malic and acetic acids help with discoloration and treating nail infections. Prepare a soak with 1½ cups of ACV and warm water. Soak your nails for 20 to 30 minutes, rinse, and then massage a small amount of olive oil into each nail. Use this treatment twice daily until discoloration fades. 4. Eliminates dandruff. Dandruff, especially common in winter due to dry air, causes flaky, dead skin on the scalp. ACV's antifungal and antibacterial properties help fight dandruff by restoring pH levels and cleansing flakes. Mix 2 tablespoons of ACV with 2 tablespoons of water and add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil. Apply this mixture to your scalp, massage for 5 minutes, leave it for another 5 minutes, then rinse. Repeat this treatment 2 or 3 times a week until dandruff clears. 5. Reduces foot odor. Foot odor can be bothersome, but ACV's antimicrobial properties help eliminate bacteria and germs. Prepare a foot soak with 1 cup of ACV and 4 to 5 cups of warm water. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash with antibacterial soap and water. Use this treatment daily for a few weeks. 6. Makes hair shiny and healthy. ACV is great for hair health, keeping it clean, strong, and shiny. It removes residue from hair products and keeps your scalp free of dead skin. Mix a 1/4 cup of ACV with 2 cups of water. After washing your hair, apply this mixture, massage it in, and leave it for 5 minutes before rinsing. Use this treatment once a week. 7. Reduces cellulite appearance. Cellulite, the result of fat cells beneath the skin's surface, can be reduced with ACV. It cleanses pores, tones the skin, and helps eliminate toxins and excess water. Mix 1 part olive or coconut oil with 3 parts ACV, apply to the affected area, and massage gently for 15 minutes. Repeat twice daily. You can also drink a mixture of 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered ACV and 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of water twice daily to combat hormonal changes that contribute to weight gain. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel. Take care and be well.